Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Department. I am D.D. Prajapati, in charge head of Mechanical Engineering Department at Government Polytechnic Palanpur. The department was established in 1988. Present intake capacity is 60. Our department vision is to create competent diploma mechanical engineer with humanities, leadership and entrepreneurship qualities. We have designed 4 mission statements to fulfill our vision of department. Our department put best effort to make students competent to face all challenges in current environment. For this, the department is equipped with all necessary experiment setups in various laboratories like metrology and instrumentation lab, fluid lab, CAD lab, industrial lab, design lab, theory of machine lab, thermal lab, material science lab and drawing hall for BEd and MD. Workshop is well equipped with enough machine tools like lathes, milling machine, shaping machine, planing machine with supporting staff. We also provide industrial interaction through industrial visits, expert lectures. We sharpen soft skills of students in finishing school under Knowledge Consortium of Gujarat. We have 26 enthusiastic and dedicated faculties. Among them, 16 are qualified up to master degree in various fields of mechanical engineering like thermal engineering, CAD/CAM engineering, design engineering and manufacturing systems. Under the SSIP, Student Startup and Innovative Policy, we have very good work done at my department. One student received a grant for his final year project. 3 patents were already filed by our department students through SSIP. One project team ranked 5th at state level and won 30,000 rupees prize in competition. Another team ranked 3rd in inter-institute level competition in SSIP. 2 students got 1st and 2nd rank at institute level in individual competition. We put more weightage on academic activities and e-learning platform during COVID-19. We, the team of mechanical engineering, constantly casting the world, forging the campus and shaping the students. Thank you very much.
My name is Chirag Amin, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, and I am in charge of Projector and Multimedia Room of Mechanical Engineering Department. Projector and Multimedia Room has a sitting capacity of 60 students at the same time. This seminar room is equipped with a projector and interactive board with the internet facility. Interactive sessions with the students and expert lectures are carried out in this room.
Welcome to CAD Lab. Myself Tarun Modi, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Basically in this lab we have provided computer facilities to the students as well as all the computers having high-speed internet facilities. Basically this lab is also used for project research purpose for the students. This lab is also utilized for mainly 2 courses. Number 1 in CAMD subject and number 2 in CAD subject. I am a subject in charge of computer aided machine drawing subject. Basically this subject is offered to 3rd semester students in mechanical engineering programs. In this lab, students will learn about basic knowledge of computers like hardware and softwares, like input and output devices and how to select the CAD workstation. As well as students will prepare some production drawings as well as assembly drawings by using some non-parametric software like AutoCAD. As well as students will prepare some 3D modelings by using some parametric software like Creos. As well as in this lab, we have given some group tasks to the students so their measurement abilities as well as drawing abilities were improved. After completing this course, students will be able to apply some engineering drawing conventions, symbols and standards through computer-aided drafting software, as well as to use parametric approach to prepare the production drawings by using some computer drafting software. This is all about the computer-aided machine drawing subject. And for CAD subject, students will prepare some 2D complex parts as well as 3D complex parts by using some parametric softwares. Thank you.
Welcome to Tool Engineering Laboratory. My name is Someshwar Chauhan, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic, Palanpur. I am course coordinator of this subject. Tool Engineering is offered in the 6th semester Mechanical Diploma program. In this laboratory, students prepared process planning and study the resharpening methods of various cutting tools like single point and multi-point, and the major portion is dedicated to design of jig, fixers and press tools. And for the better conceptual clarity, we having some demonstration model and charts like the box jig, plate fixers, indexing fixers.
Welcome to Industrial Engineering Lab. My name is Shivam Modi, working as a lecturer in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Government Polytechnic, Palanpur. I am the course in charge of Industrial Engineering subject, which is offered to 5th semester Diploma Mechanical students. The main objective of this course is to increase the productivity of various manufacturing industries. So in this course, we are using day-to-day tools such as playing cards, coloring buttons, stopwatch to carry out time study practicals. And also students have prepared various charts and diagrams such as man and machine charts, outline process chart, flow process chart, Gilbert chart to understand the concept of productivity. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Basic Engineering Drawing Lab. I am R.H. Prajapati, lecturer in Mechanical Department in Government Polytechnic, Palanpur. I am a course in charge of Basic Engineering Drawing. This is our drawing lab. Basic Engineering Drawing is offered to the Mechanical and Civil Department in first semester, and it is also offered in second semester in Electrical Department. For this course, we are using these drawing instruments to draw drawing in the blackboard. So you can see the drawings, it is very clear so that students can understand easily. This drawing hall is also utilized for mechanical drafting. It is offered in second semester. We are using these components to explain sectional view, and this is the assembly which is used in section and penetration assembly. This is our drawing lab in which 40 students can sit easily and comfortably. This hall is very comfortable and spacious so that students can draw their drawings in sheet and sketchbook very easily. We have uploaded our basic engineering drawing sheets on YouTube channel so that students can learn from anywhere due to this COVID-19.
Welcome in Metrology and Instrumentation Lab. My name is Dhaval Panchal, working as a lecturer in Department of Mechanical Engineering of GP Palanpur. I am a course in charge of M&I, which is offered to the 4th sem Mechanical Engineering students. After completion this course, student will be able to understand various linear and angular measurement and geometrical surfaces. Also, they are performed various activities in quality control in various industries. In this lab, students learn about linear and angular measurement, geometrical surface measurement, thread measurement, surface roughness measurement, and use of the various temperature and pressure instruments.
Welcome to Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines Lab. Myself JP Pudani, I am designated as a lecturer in Mechanical Department of Government Polytechnic Palanpur. I am a course in charge of Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines Lab. This course is offered in third semester of Diploma Mechanical Engineering program. After completion of this course, students will be able to select proper pressure measuring equipments and will also be able to measure various flow parameters such as discharge, friction losses and performance characteristics of hydraulic pumps and turbines. Generally, to achieve course outcome of fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines, we use three modes of teaching: study, demonstration and performance. As far as study and demonstration part is concerned, we use various turbine models as well as variety of charts and animated videos of pressure measuring equipments and hydropneumatic devices. Now, as far as performance part of this course is concerned, we use this centrifugal pump test rig to measure performance characteristics of this centrifugal pump. Then we also use this hydraulic bench along with this Bernoulli apparatus to verify Bernoulli theorem. We also use this hydraulic bench along with venturi meter and orifice meter and other flow measuring devices to measure coefficient of discharge. Then we use this Reynolds apparatus to estimate Reynolds number to identify various types of flows like laminar flow, turbulent flow and transient flow. Finally, we use this pipe friction apparatus to measure friction losses between these two ends of pipes. This is how we try to achieve our course outcomes in fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines lab. Thank you.
Welcome to project room in mechanical engineering department. Myself N.E. Oja, lecture in mechanical engineering, and here is my colleague V.S. Suthar, who is a project course coordinator. In this project lab, students able to solve the identified problems with their acquired technical knowledge throughout the semester 1 to semester 6. After completing this project work, they are accomplished with different domain outcomes like cognitive, affective and psychomotor skill. In semester 5 and semester 6, different activities are carried out. In semester 5, the activity starts with project title selection, market survey, literature review, material selection, part and assembly drawing, estimating costing and reporting. In semester 6, the activities are component purchase, component assembly, testing and checking for finalization, and finally report writing. Here in this lab, previously made projects are put on display for the students studying in the final semester for their better understanding of their identify problem and realization their problems into the project outcome. Thank you.
Welcome to workshop in Mechanical Engineering Department. My name is Payal Chauhan, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department and workshop in charge. In our workshop, there are 5 machine shops. Among them, 3 are machine shop, 1 carpentry shop, 1 fitting shop and 1 welding shop. In our machine shop 1, we have a 2 shaper machine in working condition, 1 planer machine and 1 slotting machine. These machines are used for practical of ME2 subject for semester 4 mechanical students. It is also used for project work and demonstration purpose also. In our machine shop too, there are conventional type lathe machines are placed. They are used for turning, facing, taper turning, threading operation. These machines are also used for plant maintenance and safety laboratory, for practical performance and demonstration purpose and project work. In machine shop 3, radial drilling machine, capstan lathe, general purpose heavy duty lathe machine and radial drilling machine are placed for ME2 and ME3 subject of mechanical engineering students. In welding shop, arc welding setup is placed in our shop. For performance of welding operation, we have AC transformer, electrode, cable and electrode holder. For producing arc, tap method is used. We have power hammer for forging operation for ME1 subject in semester 3 students. This is submerged arc welding machine. It is also used for ME1 subject. Hacksaw machine is used for cutting metal, rods, angles, etc. It's a grinding machine for grinding purpose of tool which is used in manufacturing engineering tool laboratory. For safety point of view and safety consideration, in our workshop, 2 types of banners are attached in the wall which guide the students how to work in workshop and which rules they have to follow. We have also 4 fire extinguishers to avoid the fire hazards. Some safety quads are also located on the wall to guide the students for safety. Various carpentry and fitting related devices are displayed on this board for better understanding of the students and how they work. List of the devices are hacksaw, chisel, square file, triangle file, cross pin, hammer.
Hello, Namaste. I am Nanjian Chaudhary, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. I am a course in charge of the Engineering Workshop Practice, which is offering to the first semester students. In Engineering Workshop Practice, students learns to use different tools and prepares jobs of fitting, carpentry, tinsmithy, pipe fitting and joining. We have 3 separate laboratories for engineering workshop practice as carpentry shop, fitting shop and welding shop. Here are the different tools which we are using for the workshop practice.
Welcome to Thermal Engineering Laboratory. My name is Nitin H. Ojha. I am a lecturer and lab in charge of Thermal Engineering 2 subject in Mechanical Engineering Department at Government Polytechnic Palanpur. This subject is offered in 5th semester Diploma Mechanical Engineering program. This laboratory is equipped with single cylinder 4-stroke water cooled diesel engine test rig, different models of IC engines, different kinds of parts of IC engines like carburetor, injector, etc. Different models of boilers like Cochrane boiler, Babcock-Wilcox boiler, Lancashire boiler, and its mounting and accessories like dead stroke, safety valve, lever safety valve, fusible plug, and blow-off cock, etc. This is the single cylinder 4-stroke water cooled diesel engine test rig. After study of this engine, the student will be able to perform the test on this engine, prepare the heat balance sheet, and also able to calculate the different parameters like brake power, friction power, indicated power, mechanical efficiency, thermal efficiency, specific fuel consumption, etc. After study of this subject, student will be able to perform the test on this diesel engine test rig and prepare heat balance sheet, and also find out some parameters like brake power, friction power, indicated power, mechanical efficiency, thermal efficiency, specific fuel consumption, etc. Also, a student will be able to demonstrate working of IC engine with this help of models, and also working of IC engine parts like carburetor and fuel injector with these instruments. In refrigeration and air conditioning unit, student will be able to perform different tubing operation of refrigeration, leak detection, evacuation, refilling of refrigerant in the refrigeration system, also explain the vapor compression refrigeration system cycle, and also calculate the COP of vapor compression refrigeration cycle. In air conditioning unit, student will be able to calculate the psychrometric property of air like wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, dew point temperature with the help of psychrometric chart, and also can represent different psychrometric process like sensible heating, sensible cooling, dehumidification, humidification on the chart, and also calculate or measure the capacity of window and split air conditioner. Thank you.